Hey guys, Bro Kode here, and in this video we are gonna use some functions from the Pywhatkit. So let's begin. So Pywhatkit is a Python module for scheduling WhatsApp messages. It has several other features too. It is one of the safest tools for scheduling WhatsApp messages. Okay, so now to install this package, you'll open the start menu and type in cmd. So cmd is the command prompt and open this. And now you have to type pip install Pywhatkit to install this library. So I will just hit enter to install this library. So I've just got Pywhatkit installed on my system. So I will close cmd and import it. So I'll just type import Pywhatkit as kit. So we will type in kit dot and the name of this function. If you have not imported like as kit, you will have to type Pywhatkit dot add functions. So however, we will use the first function. So our first function is send what msg. So send what msg is a function that will send a WhatsApp message. So let's use this. So kit dot send what msg. And now I have to provide a number in a string format. So I can just provide like 1 2 3 4, and so it should also contain a country code at the beginning. And now I have to type in the message. So I can just type like this message. Now I have to provide the time, so I can just provide like 19. So it's 19:06. So I'll just provide plus 2. So if it's 6, it should be 8. So I'll just type 8. And if you run this code, it will open the WhatsApp app 19:08 and it'll send a message after 20 seconds. So this is not a real number, so I'm not gonna run this. I will just comment this out and move to the next function. So our next function is .info. So .info is a function that will print Wikipedia summary from the Wikipedia API. So Wikipedia API is also a Python library, so you can also use it by installing. So however, let's use that. So just type get .info, and now to provide the topic in the brackets, I can just provide like Python programming language. And now I'm gonna run this code. So as you can see, we are getting here a Wikipedia summary. Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation, its language construct, blah blah blah. So here we are getting the Wikipedia summary from the Wikipedia API. So now we'll move to the next function, which is image to ASCII art. But let's comment this out, and for this you need an image. So I've just got a JPG image, so it's a car image. And first we'll create a variable as source underscore path equals to, so it should be in a string format. So I'll just type index dot jpg. So this function will convert image to an ASCII art. So ASCII art is something that only has special signs like dollars, at the rate, hashtags, and etc. So we are going to use kit dot image to ASCII art. So I will just type source path. So before doing this, I will just open all my projects. So I will just click Alt 1 to open all my projects. So we will run this code. So as you can see, we are getting here a pop-up of a new art. So it is Pywhatkit underscore ASCII art.txt. So let's open this. So here we are getting an image with, so it's a car with an only with special signs like dollar, hashtag, dots, and we also have and sign and all this stuff. So let's compare these. So this is the image and this is the txt image which is converted by Pywhatkit. So this is pretty good. So now I'll move to the next function. So our next function is a text to handwriting, but before moving to the next function, we'll just comment this out and we'll close the project. So I'll just minimize this, and now we'll move to the next function. So I'll just have get dot text to handwriting. So now you have to provide a text. So I'll just provide a text like hello, this is Bro Kode. So we will just run this. So this will open the photos. So as you can see, the photos is popping up. Let's open this, and as you can see, we are getting here hello, this is Bro Kode. So this is also good. So this is my favorite function from the Pywhatkit. So I'll just close this and move to the next function. So before moving to the next function, we'll comment this out and move to the next function. So our next function is play on YT. So this will play a random video on YouTube. So I'll just type kit.play on YT, and now to provide a topic. So I'll just provide like Apple event. So now let's run this code. So it's opening my web browser. So it's opening from the Gadgets 360, but let's close this. Okay guys, so now we'll move to the next function. So before moving to the next function, I will just comment this out and I will type here kit dot search. So the search method will just perform a simple Google search for the topic. So I'll just provide a topic over here. So I'll provide a topic as JavaScript. Now let's run this. So this is just performing a Google search for the topic, which is JavaScript. Okay, so now this was the last function we used. So there are more functions, like we have more 5 functions, but we will be not using the last 5 functions because they are not the main functions. So however, this was our last function. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and peace.